Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Jamaican fragrance company Starfish Oils has been acquired by Fleetwood Jamaica, and there is indication that the newly combined company may list on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. In a release, the company said that the $70 million acquisition was completed in January. Fleetwood CEO Richard Cole says the acquisition of Starfish Oils is a major milestone for the company, which has over 50 years of experience in personal care and home improvement products. In 2022, Starfish Oils saw a 26% year-on-year growth in revenues at $67.4 million. The company says, based on its 6 months financial performance as of June 2023, Starfish Oils is projected to report revenues of almost 69 million Jamaican dollars while generating 4 million Jamaican dollars in profits. Fleetwood says, considering potential plans for going public, it is poised to leverage its combined strengths to drive innovation, increase profitability, and solidify its position in the market. Jamaica earned 90.5% more money from exports related to the mining and quarrying industry for January to November 2023 in a report covered by RJR News. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says the segment earned the country US $514 million for the period compared to US $270 million for the corresponding period in 2022. The increase was linked to higher exports of alumina, which rose by 125%, reaching a value of US $430 million. Exports of bauxite decreased by 10%, however, to US $62.5 million. During trading on April 11, 2024, the top 3 advancing stocks covered the finance and food sectors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Lasco Financial Services Limited shares advanced by 21.94% for a 34-cent price increase to close at $1.89 with 4,520 shares traded. First Rock Capital Holdings Limited US dollar shares advanced by 20.39% for a US 1 cent price jump to close at US 5 cents with 1,000 shares traded. Express Catering Limited shares advanced 13.71% for a 54-cent price increase to close at $4.48 with 111,110 shares traded. On the declining stocks that traders experienced on April 11, 2024, the top 3 losers covered the investment, microfinance, and manufacturing sectors. Spur Tree Spices Jamaica Limited declined by 10% for a 25-cent price decline to close at $2.25 with 60,025,113 shares traded. First Rock Capital Holdings Limited JMD shares declined by 8.99% for an 89-cent price drop to close at $9.01 with 6,321 shares traded. ISP Finance Services Limited declined by 8.19% for a $2.23 drop to close at $26.35 with 16 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on April 11, 2024, registered a volume of 153,120 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at $2,398,558 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 33 cents. National Enterprises Limited was the volume leader with 83,693 shares, changing hands for a volume of 325,547 Trinidad and Tobago dollars $1.36, followed by Grace Kennedy Limited with a volume of 13,308 shares being traded for $51,999 Trinidad dollars and 65 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On April 11, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $77.6 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $72.3 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $155.51 and bought the US dollar for $154.47. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.04, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $2.53 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.46 and bought for $112.93. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $7.35, selling it for $196.63 and buying it for $189.29. For our credit report tip of the day, monitor your credit score. Your credit score is a key indicator of your financial health and stability. Regularly monitor your credit score and track changes over time. Leverage tools and resources such as credit monitoring services or apps to stay informed about any fluctuations or potential red flags. By proactively managing your credit score, you can seize opportunities to secure lower interest rates, access premium financial products, and unlock new avenues for wealth accumulation. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed. Stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.